English Daily Conversation. Listen and practice.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Emma.
What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Where are you from? Do you speak English?
Yes. I can speak English a little.
Do you speak English? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How old are you? Where do you live?
I live in Rome.
Where do you live? Are you from a big family?
No, I'm an only child.
Are you from a big family? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 9:30.
What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast. Then I go to work.
What do you do in the morning? What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting and walking my dog.
What's your favorite hobby? Who cooks in your family?
My mom cooks.
Who cooks in your family? Tell me about your abilities.
I can sing and play the piano very well.
Tell me about your abilities. What's the weather like today?
It's cold and windy.
What's the weather like today? Do you like winter?
Not really. I prefer summer.
Do you like winter? Why is that?
Because I can't stand cold weather.
Why is that? What time is it?
It's 5:45.
What time is it? Are you a student?
Yes. I'm a college student.
Are you a student? What's your major?
My major is nursing.
What's your major? Do you eat meat?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
Do you eat meat? What do you do to stay healthy?
I go to the gym every other day.
What do you do to stay healthy? Do you like music?
Yes. I love music.
Do you like music? Are you a good cook?
Yes. I cook perfectly.
Are you a good cook? What's your specialty?
My specialty is pasta.
What's your specialty? How do you spend your free time?
I hang out with my friends and go to historical places.
How do you spend your free time? It was so nice meeting you.
You too.
It was so nice meeting you. See you later.
Bye.
See you later.